File compare is used to quickly compare the differences in modifications data between two drawings. For example, in this drawing, we rotate the table, insert a plant, and hatch. Input FCMP and select the files before and after. Select to output the compare results. The differences will display in red and green. The modifications will display in magenta and yellow. Click Compare. So you can see the table, plant, and hatch are in corresponding colors. And you can check the details in the output file. A more complicated example. Let's find out where the differences and modifications are located. So that's File Compare. Thanks for watching.